children, welcome to VIN school. I am Maithili here. Now we are seeing the 6th chapter, changes around us, and we know now changes can be reversed and cannot be reversed. Okay, some changes can be reversed and some changes cannot be reversed, that we know now. Okay, come we will see some more examples. In page number 47, you use a pencil and an eraser. Okay, with repeated use their shape and size change. Can we reverse this change? Can we reverse? Can we get the pencil in original shape again? No. Okay, this is also the change that cannot be reversed. Okay, come we will go to the next page. See, you must have seen a potter working on his wheel. Okay, he shapes a lump of clay into a pot. Can this change be reversed? He then bakes the pot in an oven. Now, can this change can be reversed? When the change can, pot can be, the clay, from the pot we can get the clay before baking, no, after baking can we get the clay? No. So here, can this change can be reversed? Yes, here the change can be reversed. How? He shapes a lump of clay into a pot. Okay, before baking we can make from the pot, we can get the clay again. Okay, after he then bakes the pot in an oven, so we can't get the clay again. Okay, after baking, what happens? The texture, everything will change. Okay, some common changes are given in table 6.1. Which of these changes do you think can be reversed? Come, we will see what is that table, what are all there in table. We find that one way we can group changes is to see if they can be reversed. Okay, come we will see the table. Look here, this is the table. The things are given here. What is the change here? The changes, what are the changes happening? Come we will tell whether it can be reversed or no, cannot be reversed. Okay. See first one, raw egg to boiled egg. Okay, if you boil the egg, what will happen? Can we get the raw egg again? No. Can be reversed? No. Batter to idli. After pouring batter into idli vessel, after steaming, can we get idlis? Can we make it to batter again? No. Wet cloths to dry cloths. Okay. Can we get dry cloths, wet cloths to dry cloths? Can we make dry cloths again wet? Yes. By pouring water, by dipping it in water, we can make it wet again? No. Yes. Woolen yarn to knitted sweater. Okay, knit a sweater. No, yarn you know no. Okay, if you are knitting a sweater, we can get again the woolen yarn. Yes, we can. Yes, we can take the yarn again by removing the knot. Okay. Grain to its flour. Can we get the grain again from the wheat flour or whatever flour? Wheat flour, ragi flour, can we get the ragi again, wheat again? No. Cold milk to hot milk. Yes, we can make the hot milk again cold, no? Yes. By keeping under a fan. Leave it for some time means it will become cold again, no? Straight string to a coil string. Okay, so yes, we can make it again straight. After coiled string, if we extend it, we can get the straight string again. String, it is a string. We can make it to straight again. Bud to a flower. Can we get the bud again from the flower? No. Milk to paneer. From paneer we can get a milk again? No. Okay, reverse means look here, bud to flower. There is, okay. If you want to reverse it, flower to bud, you think in this way, bud to flower. Okay, bud to flower we can get. Flower to bud can we get? No. Milk to paneer, okay, we can make milk to paneer. But paneer to milk can we get? No. Cow dung to biogas. That we can do. From biogas to cow dung can we get? No. Stretched rubber band to its normal size. Yes, we can make the stretched rubber band to normal size again. Okay. Ice cream to molten ice cream. Yes, we can get down. Okay. Molten ice cream, freeze on water. If we freeze it, it will become hard. If you melt it again, we will get the ice cream? No. Yes, ice cream to molten ice cream. Okay. If we freeze it, we will get the ice cream again. Understood? So, now we can understood what are all the changes that can be reversed and which cannot be reversed. Okay. Understood? Now, we will go to the next topic. Could there be other ways to bring a change? Could there be other ways to bring a change? We all have seen the tools which are used to dig the soil. Have you ever seen how the iron blade in this tool is fixed to the wooden handle? Okay. See, you know the tool to dig the soil. Look here, this is the tool, no? This is the tool. Okay. Have you ever seen the iron blade? This is iron blade. In this tool is fixed to the wooden handle. This is a wooden handle. Okay. This is the iron tool. This is the wooden handle. This is the what tool which are used to dig the soil. Okay. Look here, these are all the tools to dig the soil. To dig the soil, how this is connected to this wood. Okay. How this is connected to this wood. That is what we want. How this is connected to this wood. Okay. The iron blade of these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Okay. Look here, in everything a ring is there. Look here, here also one ring is there. Here also one ring is there. So that we can fix it into the wooden handle. Normally the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size. Okay, now the handle easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly onto the handle. Come, we will see what it is telling. Contracts, what? Expands. What is this? So, how they are fixing this wooden iron plates, okay, iron blade into the wooden handle. Come, we will see. What will happen? Normally, the ring is what? The iron blade of these tools has a ring. Okay, see, in each and every iron tool is a ring. There is a ring. Okay, look, ring like structure. Okay. So, the iron blade of these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Okay. Normally, the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size. Okay. Now, the handle easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly onto the handle. Okay. In this way, they fix the what? Iron blade into the wooden handle. Understood? See here, if we heat it, what will happen? It will expand. That time you insert the wooden rod into that what? Yeah, into the ring. So, after it gets cool, what will happen? It will contract and it will become tight. So, we can't able to take the wooden handle outside. Understood, children? See here, what? See here, the ring of the iron blade gets, if it gets heated, it will get expanded. That time you insert the wooden handle inside it. Okay. So, after some time it gets cool, no, that time what will happen? It contracts. Okay. That time it holds that wooden handle tightly, so that we can't able to remove, so that we can easily dig the what? Soil. So soil, how to dig the soil means how much effort we should put, no. So, that time also that iron plate will not come out from the wooden handle due to this, okay, due to the what? Contraction of the iron blade. Okay. Understood? Such a change is also used for fixing the metal rim. This type of change is also used for fixing the metal rim on a wooden wheel of a cart. Okay. Look here, this is a what? Cart wheel, okay, with metal rim fixed to it. Look here, on this metal rim is fixed to it. Okay. See, if we heat it, what will happen? It will expand. That time we fix that on the what wheel. After it gets cool, what will happen? It will contract and will tightly hold the wheel, so that it won't come out of the what? Wooden, okay, wooden wheel. so that it won't come out of the wooden wheel. So, this this change is also used for fixing the metal rim on the wooden wheel, okay, of a cart. Again, the metal rim is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. Okay, actually it made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. On heating, the rim expands and fits onto the wheel. Cold water is then poured over the rim, which contracts and fits tightly onto the wheel. Understood, children? Understood. So that in this way they fit the water metal rim on a wooden wheel. Okay, understood. When we heat water in a pan, it begins to boil. After some time, if we continue to heat further, the quantity of water in the pan begins to decrease. Why? What will happen? The water changes into water vapor. Okay, understood. So, you have observed that water vapor gets changed into liquid water when it is cooled. Okay. We also have noticed melting of ice. Ice melts when it is heated. Okay. What does it change into when it gets melt? It changes into water. Is it possible to change this water back into ice? Yes, we can change by keeping it in freezer. We can make the water again into ice cubes. Ice, no? Yes. Okay. Come, we will see some more changes. So, from water vapor we can convert it into water again by condensation method, okay, and we can make it from water to water vapor by what? Evaporation, okay, and we can change the ice cubes into water and as well as what? Water into ice cubes, okay, ice. Okay, children, these are all some of the changes that can be what? Reversed, okay. These are all the example for the changes that are reversed due to evaporation and condensation, okay. What it is, these are called evaporation and condensation. Come, we will see the next page in our next video.